You said you need 10,000. Yes, baby. Okay, hold this one. Oh, thank you, my love. Hold this one. Thank you, sweetheart. Hold this one. Hey, my provider.
How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you? How are you? Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2 mic test. It's just our mic test, guys. I see sonos on the vibe. Hi sana. Okuta Nixon. Madame, madame. Okuta bende. Okuta, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? I find I see Nevia. Nevia. How you doing? Ora yamono chalna di kono. Ora Nixon yamono chalna di kono. Ongen koso tin. Mr. Fido. How are you, Fido? How are you, Fido? Americo takes on the one. Someone in the losing one. Vero you. Verona Souza lá. Ale Vero. Ale Vero. Fido, yeah. Fido. Fido bende donga budan. I see Prince on the mind. Yeah, we know Wanjiru. How are you watching from Wanjiru? Oh, Lolo, Wanjiru. Uganda, Dongalo, Wanjiru. Toka, Nairobi. Ayo. Wanjiru kutoka Nairobi. Ice Nairobi, Kenya, Wanjiru. Uganatina, oh, Wanjiru. I you get him, ole Wanjiru. Wanjiru ding, Wanjiru yawa, Wanjiru he. Vero, Wanjiru bang, Wanjiru yawa, Wanjiru he. Aye, beautiful Wanjiru. Aye, Wanjiru. Ha ha, beautiful golden Wanjiru. Sejem ana gona tumba. Hey, aye. Wanjiru. Just 1 second, 1 second. Today there's a lot of wind in the beach now. Guys, thanks so much for those watching on YouTube. Subscribe, and also you can donate in super chat if you like the vibe. My Maka Mugenda playing traditional instrument. Right now I'm giving you a streaming. This is a streaming I'm doing in Diani, Congo Beach. Yeah, if you like the vibe, subscribe. Keep on watching. I really appreciate it. I see there's a lot of big. The number is very large. Yeah? We have a large number. We have a large number, guys. I see Veronaza. Na 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 re. Ha ha. I see Workisumo. Ondie kelola mama. Ondie kelola. Ha ha. Have you seen my guys on the vibe? Oh, vero, 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 vero. Na 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 re. Na 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 re. Na 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 re. Ha ha. Have you seen my guy? Pascal also on the vibe. Pascal is watching. Long, 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 long time ago. Long, 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 long time ago. Long, 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 long time ago. Oh, dino nene konaga. Chamungoma. Ha ha. I see Alexa was on the vibe today. I don't see him. Lucy Maya. Lucy Maya, where are you watching? Where are you? There's a lady by the name Lucy Maya. But the funny thing today, I'm not seeing Lucy Maya, but Maya is one of my best people. I never met before. Maya was on the vibe. Keep on watching my Maka Mugenda. It's a very special evening vibe with Maka Mugenda. I'm streaming, guys, in Diani. This is Diani vibe. Maka Mugenda, long time. Vincento. How are you? I'm fine. How are you doing? How are you doing, my friend? Just give you a stream on YouTube. Subscribe for those who are watching, guys. Also, you can donate in super chat if you like the vibe. I see Alexi. Alexi was on the vibe. Hello. Que lo vi you. Have you seen Ellie? Alexio, yeah. And the bed. Ha ha. 1 minute, guys. Let me recharge bundles. My bundles is gunning. Sure. Akuma KDK. Have you seen my guy Akuma? Yeah, my God. Aku! Yeah, my God. Yeah. Have you seen my son? Yeah. Aba liberation. Akuma. Ayo. Bongalore. Ogalo. I see Kevin also the one. My Agumba vivo. If I say you come in front, who dance with me? Scotty, Scotty, Wakanda forever. Ayo, Ana on the van, Scotty, can you dance? If I say you come in front, yeah, dance with me. Dance with me. Glados of the bar. Minina roga. Minina waka. I see my guys, Scottish Embrace. Our Scottish Embrace. Guys, thank you so much. I see crew. How you doing, people? How you doing? There's a lot of wind, you know. I'm in the beach, guys. Glad, where are you watching from? Glad, Honor. I am so on the vibe. Honor. I really appreciate your time, Honor. Where are you watching from? Miss Maka Mukenda just jumping with the traditional instrument called nyatiti. If you like the vibe, I just subscribe on YouTube. Scott, yeah. Have you seen on the vibe? Yeah. On a ding. I see all that lady in white rose. I see Scottish umbrella. That lady in white rose. Yeah, gonna go long, Maraja. Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah. Scottish. Yawanya konongo maracha. Yawanya konongo maracha. Have you seen me gone? Oh, nari. Ah, oh, nari. Ah, oh, nari. I miss you too. I told you I miss you so much. Scottish also me, I miss you so much. I miss you so much. But today, yesterday and today I decided to just stream along the beach so that you can see the view. I know there's a lot of wind, guys, but you will just allow me. I love you so much, guys. Keep on watching. If you are watching on YouTube, guys, there's a super chat, guys. Please, for those watching on YouTube, you can donate something small in my YouTube, in my super chat, and also there's a PayPal for those who are watching. Please, if you like the vibe, now, Stefanios on the vibe. Keep on watching. I see honor. Thank you so much. May God bless you. And Scottish Embrace, the only lady I know. Scottish, I really appreciate you. I really appreciate your time so much. Let's continue the vibe. Odiambo. Yeah. Wakanda still. Canyo. I wake up in the morning, I say I to my God, oh, I say I to my God, so that He can bless my people like Scottish. Ebreza. Scotty Dande, Scotty Bambe, Scotty Yelele, Mata, Caramel Dendere, Core. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. It's Makamuganda. I really appreciate you. I see Hilda was on the vibe. Hilda. I see Daniela. Unpredicted. Where are you watching? Unpredicted. Yeah. Unpredicted. Where are you watching? Guys, for those who are watching on YouTube, guys, if you like the vibe, please, you can donate in super chat. And Unpredicted, Nyatewa, where are you from now? In Kuli, Nyatewa, in Kanye. Unpredicted, yeah. Guys, keep on watching. I see Unpredicted. Jimmy Dar. Wera. Yeah. I see my guy Kevin. Brian also the man. Scotty, Cadavera ne Jamoto. Cadavera ne Jamoto. Vera. I see crew on the mind. Mayo. I see Paula. Mayo. Ha ha. Scooty dende, Zulu. Yeah. In your eye. Yeah, in your eye. Ha ha. I see Boda Solomon. Yeah, in your eye. Ah, in your eye. Ha ha. I miss you, Scotty. Fancy one. Thank you so much, Scottish Embrace. How are you doing? How are you doing? Tell me. Much love, much I see. I really appreciate your time, everyone who's watching. This is a very special evening vibe with Maka Mugenda. I'm Fancy Wango. I love you so much, Scottish. Obier, thank you so much, Obier. I really appreciate it. Subscribe. Obier, you can donate something small in my super chat, man. Where are you from? I'm from Kenya. Angelo's on the vibe. Obier, have you seen my guy Obier? Tracy. Anton Fisher. Obier. Ay, Magari. Modande. You can come and say hi to my people if you want. Just come and say hi. What's your name?
My name is Layla.
Layla, from where?
From Kenya and Ghana and India.
She's your mom?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you. Okay. My YouTube channel is Maka Mugenda. MAKA space Mugenda. You can just type. Can I give you the spelling?
I don't have.
You can just type it in notebook.
Oh, what's gonna be in the conversation? Hi.
Kamala. Come along. I can sing for you one song before you leave. Guys, let's continue the vibe. You say what's the name?
Layla.
Layla. Layla. Would you need to dance, Yawa? Oh, Layla, more beauty. Oh, Layla, more beauty.
Hey, that's Layla.
I see Auntie Layla. What's your name, Auntie?
Miriam.
Miriam, Auntie Leila, oh Auntie Leila, oh Auntie Leila. I see you, ma. Leila beauty like a mother. Ah, she's more prettier.
Dance.
Can you dance? Can you dance? Can you shake? Can you dance? Guys, you see, this is a beautiful lady from Kenya. Come on, Leila, more pretty. I see Mama Leila, can you come along and say hi to my people? Oh, Mama. Oh, Mama. Thank you so much. Mama Leila. They want to say Mama Leila. They want to say hi to Mama Leila.
Hi.
You can say hi to Mama Leila.
Thank you so much. You see Mama Leila. She's beautiful like her daughter. You from which country, Mama Leila?
Germany.
Germany. Be
31.
Oh, be high sense.
As Anita.
Anita. It should be Maka.
You can start.
Huh?
They're good.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. We're going to the boat now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Guys, keep on. There's a lot of people. This side I have 64, the other side I have 50 on YouTube, TikTok.
YouTube. What's your name? YouTube?
Maka Mugenda. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
What is the spelling?
MAKS space Mugenda. Maka Mugenda. Vitong Mugenda. I can just give you the spelling. MAKA Mugenda.
Spelling slowly.
Maka ya Kiswahili Mugenda. Guys, keep on watching. You can also donate in my super chat or PayPal if you like the vibe. Yeah, thank you so much. Keep on watching. Mugenda. No. 1 minute, guys. Guys, I'm coming. Ama anti unataka kuninunulia chai? Okay, just come. Guys, what's the time? There's still time, man. Aye. Aye, guys. When I...
So, okay. No, it's okay.
Aye. Hey, du bist hübsch. Du bist pretty.
Dankeschön, danke.
Danke.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Let's continue, guys. I'm really sorry. Let's continue. Karaja. Akot jabernya sego. Idwa vija tocho. Dogigol mago weri ko mnyateba. Ashley. Hey, challenges are serious now. Let me recharge bundles. And I want to start singing to Andrea. Let's continue now. Let's continue now. This is Western Africa. Okay, let's continue. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. 1 year. Oh, Andrea. Hey! Longo Andrea. I'm afraid. Longo Andrea. 1 year for the one. Happy birthday to you, yeah. Oh, Duma, Scottish Shamra. People shout to Andrea, and dance magazine. Aduma, can dance with the magazine. I was a young boy. Andrea. Happy birthday to you, yeah. Johnny man, Andrea, how old are you? Yeah. How old are you? Yeah. Donga werni saidi. 1 minute, guys. Let me confirm something here, boy. I'm continue. Don't worry. I'm continue with what I'm. Thank you so much, Ali. May God bless you, bro. I receive with a lot of thanks. God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. You look like 18. You look like 18. Sura yake kama jenzi. Are you jenzi? Yawa longo alternea. Olulude. Olulude. Omoga. Ali de, Andrea, you look like 18. You look like 18. Ali bing bing, Ali ding ding. Yaro chiang ya. Happy birthday to you, Mayo Kalongaba. Chanda, Ochi, Chanda, Chanda, May God bless you. Thank you so much. I see Engineer Brio, Yobra. Hi, Manuela. How you doing, boy? Not time now. Thank you so much, Antonia. I want to hear what Lucy Maya is saying now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Alia. Guys, there's a lot of wind here. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. You know, I'm in the beach now, guys. You have to understand that. If you want to just be cool, man, cool, man. Oh, Swarabu, Arina, I wanna sing to Swarabu, Arina, 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 I love Arina, Arina, and Swarabu. I trust on the line. Ukimwana sarina ye arina. Moya Swarama, Swarama. Where are you? Where are you? Luzimaya, where are you? Arina did. Arina dance, ay, kanyo, swarabu, swarabu, Apollo, oh my, oh swaru, Arina de, I want to see Arina, ha ha. Dorinia, Apollo Daxi, Mako Frenya Jawaya. How are you doing? How are you doing, man? How are you doing, man? How are you doing, man? Zani. How are you doing, man? How are you doing, man? Just be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient, guys. Let's continue. Let's continue. Take water. I want to play one song too. There's a lady by the name Mwarabu. Mwarabu. You know, that's good. Yon Roja, umemwona Mwarabu akinarina, ukimwona Mwarabu ameumbwa, Mwarabu ameumbwa, ameumbwa unumande. Ari, Arina de Ari, Arina, Arina, Arina danzarina, ameumbwa unumande. Ukimwona, ukimwona Arina mama na Mwarabu, Mwarabu ameumbwa, ameumbwa kaumbika, ameumbwa kaumbika, Mwarabu dende, atoti, I better sing the Mwarabu, I better sing the Mwarabu. Are you dancing? How much perform during wedding, Omera? Carolina, take my number. My number is on the screen there. My number is there. Yeah. Also, you can inbox me if you want a show, if you want something for the wedding. I also have a band, guys. I'm working with a band. Also, if you want to invite me in your wedding, huh? Just don't worry. Invite me. Not tomorrow, today. Invite me. The number is there. Wapida, bro. Thank you so much, guys. Warabu, man. Okay, Mona. Carolina, you are the one to send me. Right now I'm singing. Just follow Carolina, follow. After follow, DM me. Oh, Carolina. Negaro mama, negaro mama, arena ye. I have decided to sing to arena, arena. Scottisha, kill me with a lion now. Marabuya, marabuya. Now I challenge. Okimonarina. Mayanu benda jogo, Carolina. Mayanu benda jogo. Mayani ding. Mayanu ding. Yeah, Mayanu ding. Mayanu ding. Mayanu ding. Mayanu ding. If you like, we can dance. Ayo. If you like it, hello. If you like it, Sanduman, Carolina, Arina, Sandumalu. If you like it, can you dance it? Aye, Lupin, Mayan, aye. If you like it, Sandumalu. Aye, are you dancing? African bar. Dorina. I don't see Mwarabu dancing. Are you dancing? Are you jumping? Are you going? Are you moving? Are you here? It's an African vibe, man. I really appreciate your time, guys. For those who are watching, my name is Maka Muganda. If you like the vibe, you can donate in Super Chat. And also there's a PayPal for those who are watching on YouTube. PayPal or Super Chat. Or there's a Super Chat, guys, you can donate. My name is Maka. The instrument is called nyatiti. Let's continue with the vibe. 1 second, I want to recharge bundles for those who are watching on YouTube. I know today. Back to the live. Let's continue. There's a guy, but I don't know your name. Thank you so much. You have been gifting me. I don't know. I love you. Thank you so much. I don't know your name. Please give me your name. Have you seen Gabriel? I have a friend. Conchia. Oh, my darling. Gabriel. Someday Subakumakaye. Let me sing. Let me jump. Oh gee. Scottish Amra. Gabriela. Gabriel. Aye. Lopai. Gabriela. Let me sing Umaka, Gabriela. Much love from Australia. People from Texas, yeah, Ambide, Ululu, Gabriela. Can you dance? Conchi dance, aye, Gabriela dance, na. Happiness, Adura Maya, Mabine, Run, Demelo. Hakuna matata tichamogo. Oh, hakuna matata. Gabriela kumsonga nyingi. Ambitai male, Scottish Amrai, Ambitai dancer, Gabriela yawa, Gabriela ding ding, Gabriela, Ambitai yala. Oh yeah, Gabriela. Gabriela. Ambitai ding ding. Adiamo. Maya, you go Australia. I find a dead man. Oh, Gabriela. Conchie. Ambi, Mama Joy. Game I get him after that. Oh, Gabriela, can you dance traditionally? Ayo, Minana, Amina. I see my God, Jepisano. bende penjo punya. Oh, Gabriela. He didn't saw the gift. I didn't see it, yeah. Do it again. Digi, digi, digi. Umlungo mina. Oh, mina. Oh, mina. Allah. I fall. Can you dance it? Mina, can you dance it? Ooh. Sukotia, yeah. Sukotia, yeah. Konji, konji. Konji, konji. Oh, Gabriela. Yeah. Are you done? Are you done? Are you Gemalta? African vibe. African vibe. Thank you so much, guys. My name is Maka Mugenda, playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. Turn round for you, my job is done. Rumor for you, my job is done. Viola, thank you so much. You Maka, how are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing, man? This Diani, man. This Diani. This is how it is. It look, man. You see this how the beautiful is the place. See. You can see how it is, guys. This is how beautiful is the place. The place, there's a lot of people. Yeah. Let me do something here. Just 1 second. Amazing place. There's a lot of tourists. Touristic, amazing. Guys, for those who are watching, please. For those who are watching on YouTube, yeah, you can donate something small. For those who are watching on YouTube, yeah, hey, YouTube, there's a super chat, yeah. Drinking some water. Yes, I have to drink. Let's continue. I see Gabriel. Come baby, guy, you mago kuriko. Igano sondewa. Come baby, guy. Violale. Have you seen Viola? Violale. Regale. Come baby gale. Have you seen Conchin? Honey, you dancing. Hello? Yes. I'm waiting for you. I must sing for you. You are lovers, man. Honey, you dancing. Honey. Aye. Yadidi dance is a kaya dance. Yadidi dance is a kaya dance. Come baby, come, let's go. Come baby gale. Danny, oh Danny, have you seen nobody? Seba, Daniela, Valia. Tumwea is jam gingolo. One second, guys. I have to reach. Where's my guy, Gabriela? Shadia! I see Sepa. Point time. Chad Smith on the one. Continue. I wanna mention my people in the vibe. Oh my God. Oh my God. The homie. Zimai, Ale Chadini, Chadini, yeah, Sumitu Chadini, ha, Chadini, oh Chadini. Have you seen Chad Smith on the wall? Yelele Tumbonina, Zamia, CPA, Pendedo Aganduma. Maku maku, walolo tumulongo yawa. It's a traditional vibe. Aye, Charlie. Aye, Charlie. Thank you, Charlie. Away, go away, away, away. Run with Jesus. Are you dancing, mama? She's running while the judge is dancing. Let's continue the vibe, man. Let me try this one. I want to try this one. Relax. My name is Maka Mugenda. If you like, Tonang on Jonasi. I'm fine. I have to try the jingles. 1 second. I say 1 minute. I'm done. You watch Iwalo. Jonah, in me one. Let's continue. I don't see my guy, Gabriela. Gabriela. Mtoto wa muganga amependa muziki. Ana have you seen her? Have you seen my man? I don't know. I'm a band of muziki. Anna, mtoto wa muganga. I'm a band I don't need that. Mtoto wa muganga amependa mana muziki. I don't see her on air. Thank you so much. Hi Niaje. Subscribe on YouTube, bro. Maka Mugenda. Also, you can come and say hi to my people. There's a lot of people just say they want to see your beautiful face, Omera. Say hi,
guys.
YouTube, TikTok. Yes.
Subscribe, guys.
Yes. If you are single, please assume that you have never seen that lady, please. Thank you so much. If you are single, please assume you see nothing. If you are single, please assume you see nothing. If you are a man, I don't know if I put it like this. There's a lot of wind now. I have to control the direction of wind. If you are a man, please assume you see nothing. Ayawa, I don't know. You know I'm in the beach. Where's my guy Aruna? Yeah. Am I on the vibe? Sepa. Yeah. Sepa. Boy. Gawa sepalu. Sepampa. Sepaye. Mari jamadum, Mari jamadum, Mari jamadum. Ha ha. Sepa danzo, Emma danzo, Barakaya yedele, Barakaya ye, Barakatele. Sophia, yeah. Sophie, yeah. Sophie, yeah. Sophia, can you dance? It's a big jump. Down when you're I see people from America. Some people from Australia, they are there. There's a lot of wind, guys. I have to hold it for a while. I don't know where this wind is coming from. Thank you so much. Are you from South Africa? You see there's a lady just passing and shaking. Now you can just come and say hi to my people. You are such a beautiful lady. Just come. Jaber. Hi. Guys, when I tell you Kenya is wonderful, just see this beautiful lady. She's more beautiful without makeup. What's her name, Jaber? My name is Jaber. What's her name?
I'm Sharon.
Let me do something for Sharon. This is how we do it. Someone can record for Sharon Yawa. Jaber, come along. Oh, Sharon. Kararo. Agal to Sharon. Sharon more beauty. Agal more beauty. Aye. Sharon was not born. She was created. She has a dimple. She has a dimple. I don't know, ma'am. I don't know, ma'am. If you want to control economy and you are single, but you have to have dollar for you to own Sharon Omera. Omera, you have to have dollar, guys. If you are single and you are millionaire, not just single. She's pretty. They say you are pretty. Thank you so much, guys. If you are single and you have money, guys, you can have Sharon because she's more beautiful without makeup. Are you getting that? But if you are single but you are hustling, bro, you run away because this is a big problem. Let's continue the line. Jaber, you want to give me Gimolo? Maka Mugenda. What about single? MAKA, Maka Mugenda. What about single men? They just let focus in money. Let them focus in chasing money. I see Francisco. I told you this is a traditional vibe. Francisca. Sepa. Francisca. Sepa. I'm looking for money. The pack on the way. Money, money, Sigma, trust nobody, trust nobody, Sigma, trust nobody, trust nobody, Baba. Sepa. When it comes to money, my brother, trust nobody. Trust nobody. Trust nobody. Trust nobody. Francisca, trust nobody. Herrera. Ayo. And you can say, I survival. Bichu vibe, piro magalakala. Shake your body now. Are you dancing? Are you vibing? Jojo, shake your body. Rima. Six pack without money, my brother. It's like disability. It's like disability. Relationship is money. Money, money. Money, money. Six pack without money is disability. Amani aje. Ladies say, see them, 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 see them. You see them, you see them. Can I view for you? They are beautiful and they are more beautiful, guys. This lady is more beautiful, guys. Guys, if you like the vibe, subscribe also. You can show me, can I man you just for living there? Yes, come along, come along. I see my brother Arthur. You see this guy? This guy is living in Kenya with by mistake. He's a French guy.
Oui, bien sûr.
Yeah, he's a French guy. He stay in Kenya with just mistake.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And also there's a beautiful lady passing. How are you, beautiful lady?
You make a song for us?
Come along. I want to sing for you, Jaber.
Oh yeah.
Jaber. Jaber. Jaber.
Give us something.
What's your name, Jaber?
Elsie and Miles. Mama Miles.
Oh, Elsie. Ukimona Elsie, a girl toto beauty. iPhone, anatembea ni iPhone 17.
Pro Max yawa.
Elsie more beauty.
Yeah, with our son Miles.
What's the name?
Miles.
Mama Miles ameumbwa akaumbika.
Thank
you. She has a dimple somewhere. Thank you, Mama. I respect iPhone 17, guys. That one. Thank you, bro.
We follow you.
Yeah, keep on following. Keep on. We are enjoying the vibe, guys. Are you enjoying the vibe? Thank you so much, Elsie. Guys, thank you. It's Maka Mugenda. We're just jamming with you. This we call beach vibe with Maka. Guys, there's a lot of wind. Guys. I don't know how to control this one, but if you feel that wind also, it helps you because you feel that now you are in the beach, but you are not in the beach. Let me take one sort of water, man, of water. Let's continue the vibe. I really appreciate you. Oh, Baba, Andika, Dika Baba. Let me give you my story from my way. Me doso de wa, mina, inaye, adieu, na dance, mina oh mina ha ha, ungona mina. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Jar Osanawan. May God bless you so much. Oh yeah, Maka. Enungingolo. Sara. Aram Yeloganda. Adi. Yawa. Thank you so much, guy. May God bless you, Charlie. Drink also the vibe. Jumbo. How are you? Can you dance? Can you dance? Yeah, can you dance?
Fifi, other way?
Yes. Hakuna matata, hakuna matamba. Otero yawa. Otero yawa. Where are you from? Poland. Yawa ya Poland. Yeah, come. Ay, dayo.
Beata. His name is Beata.
Beata dancing. Ay, Beata dancing. Beata dancing. Beata mama. Johanna mama. Ay, Johanna mama. Ay, Johanna mama. Johanna mama. Adam Papa. Waduh, lagu dua nih kak. Ayah. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you, bro. They have to add something as well. Guys, keep on watching. It's a vibe, man. Thank you so much. They are from Poland. The best guy. Me, I'm enjoying by the time I'm vibing by the time I'm enjoying. Keep on watching my Maka Mugenda. Vibe with Maka Mugenda. Andika also on the vibe. Let me take what Andika. Guys, for those who are watching on YouTube, please donate something. Yeah, donate something. There's a super chat. Yeah, hey. Man, that's how it is. Power, Nico Power, bro. Nico Power. And turn on life on the mind. I see Andika, my guy. Ikan, my guy. I bayan. I see bayan on the bar. Yeah. Andika, Andika, bayan, yeah. Have you seen bayan? We gonna bang. We gonna bang. We gonna jam it. Are you seen bayan? Oh mama, no baba ya. God, he gonna day, he gonna buy, he gonna yawa. Yeah. If you like the vibe, guys, and you're watching on YouTube, you can donate in super chat. Hello. Mother told me. Mother told me. You got here. Mother told me. Mother told me. Have you seen money? If you wanna live love, yeah. If you wanna live love, Miami, Bayana. If you wanna live long, man. Hello. Come along. Just 1 second. What's your name, Jabez? What's your name? Adundo.
Yakisi. God.
Yeah, God, stand here so that we can go together. Go to mama. If you see, go to mama. Yakisi beauty. Yeah, go to mama beauty. Yeah, go to mama day. Yeah, go to mama yeah. Yeah, go to mama day. Anita wanna see you. Bayanu wanna see you. Yeah, go to Zunguri. Nyakisi Zunguri. Can you dance Nyakisi? Mama yawa. Hey. Thank you so much. My name is Maka. Say hi to my people. There's a lot of people. Yeah, I have 100 plus
you
people.
Are live?
Yeah.
Hi from Nyagot.
Nyagot is a beautiful lady from the mountain. Yeah, the Nyagot. Hey, Omera, you can follow Nyagot. Do you have any social media platform?
Not really.
Not really.
Is there a person in this current world that doesn't have a social media?
No worry. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nyagot.
Leta hii yako nitajua.
Ni Maka Mukenda. Inaitwa tu Maka Mukenda.
Okay. Unataka?
Jumbo, just come and say hi to my people, man. You are a man. Yeah, man. Let's continue the war. Uncontrollable. Have you seen my guy? But the gamer, how are you doing? Just 1 second. Oh, let's continue the vibe, man. Hello. How are you? Guys, you see beautiful lady as passing. Oh, my God, but game. Bayan say Bimblebe. If you like the vibe, can you say Bimblebe? Can you dance to Bimblebe? Makabiro Bimblebe. Maria. I'm not done touching young. Now I don't give him Caro jam bemblebe. The bada, oh the bada, but you get my hour. It's a fiber. Hello. Now I don't get long. Magari. Yeah, let me say hi to my brother. What's that? Hello, hi. I have a YouTube channel, please. You can follow on my YouTube channel also.
I'm going to say hi.
Come and say hi to my people, man.
Hi, people.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Elle. How are you?
Elle. Let me play for something to Elle.
Hey.
I have decided in my heart to sing to Elle. Oh, Elle.
Come on. She's so scary. Come on.
Shake your body.
Hey.
Hello, beauty hour. Are you dancing? I am Elmo beauty without makeup, yeah. I didn't know, mama.
Hey.
I didn't know, mama. Where you from, man?
United States.
Kill me with the dollar.
Hey, that's right. I'm gonna give you $1 too.
Kill me with the dollar. You see Elmo Beauty from United States of America. Can you shake your bamba?
Hey.
Can you shake your bamba? Can you shake your bamba? Shake what mama gave you. Shake what mama gave you. You know Elle is not busy. Elle was not born. She was created on Monday. Are you dancing? Are you vibing? Are you jamming? Oh, Elle. Oh, Elle. Yawa, Elle. Can it? Yeah. Ha, ha. Elle, you're welcome in Kenya.
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Elle.
Thank you.
Kill me with the dollar.
Come on, let me kill him with a dollar.
You wanna kill me with the dollar, man? Hey guys, don't. This one you don't have to see. Keep on watching, guys. Also remember to subscribe. For those who are watching on YouTube, you can donate in my super chat. It's Maka Mugenda. It's just a vibe, guys. This beach vibe with Maka Mugenda. I told you, Elle is boss lady.
Yeah. Boss lady.
Boss lady. See, this one is dollar. Thank you so much, bro.
So tough.
Thank you so much, bro. Asante sana, guys.
He's a man from the left, from my place.
Wow. I told you music is sweet.
Sorry, I can't help myself.
Hey, yeah, dollar. Dollar. Yes, man. I really appreciate, guys. If you like the vibe, I told you, just a vibe, man. It's a traditional music with Maka Mugenda. Guys, for those who are watching on YouTube, yeah, please, I'm begging for you. Please, you can donate in super chat. Oh, caro. Caro Nyamaro Sodamo. Yeah. Oh, caro. Come on, mama. Oh, caro. Josh on the bar. Dun. Oh, caro. I wanna sing to caro. Oh, caro. Josh on the bar. Conga. Are you dancing? Are you drumming? Are you what? Let me say hi to my brother. Let me sing for you, boy.
Atambui kuna live. Mom, umetokea kwa live yangu.
Oh man. Yeah, dear. Please, good name. My name is Sarah. You're a safe place, man. How you doing? I am just vibing, guys, in the beach. And right now, guys, I think I have to leave because time is not on my side. Hey, my brother, what are you saying? Jaber, Ama Jaber, you want to give me Gimoroyawa? You want to give me something? Hey, Yawa. Don't run with the dollar, man. How can you run with the dollar? Jaber, no one $1 look into you. Yeah, that's the man don't get you. Which devil have entered in our chest? Your network, my network was doing what? Guys, thank you so much. My name is Maka Mugenda. I really appreciate if you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, please subscribe. It's called Maka Mugenda. Maka Mugenda. Nyamara wazungu mengi ya ubika vya katachiel ya. I don't wanna be jagam, Yamaru mam. Ay, hey, Dubokin wango musungu bu yo will koda. Ay, we never culture, we gonna dance, we gonna dance, we gonna jam. Walla la la la, Johnny era, Johnny era, Johnny era. I told you it's a vibe, it's not a show. Let me take water, man. Let me talk water, man. Man. It's almost time. Nyamaro, you say I'm your ribs. I'm your ribs. My ribs is here. Let's continue, guys. Yeah. Oh, when yeah. Are you dancing? Are you jumping? Are you dancing? Are you shaking? Come along, tell them, come along, you can say hi to my people, please, come along. Hey.
Hi, hello.
What's your name?
Jolie.
Wow. And you dance Jolie. Jolie. And what's your name? Vera. And Jolie. Another one, what's your name?
Ivy. US.
Oh, Ivy. And you dance, Ivy. Shake your body. Ivy, kill me with $1, yeah. Ivy, you can kill me with $1. Let me go for $1. Ivy cannot leave me like that. Thank you so much. Omera, wanna watch pesa kutugo. Hey, yeah, pesa kutugo. I use $1 do one guy beach car. Oh no, my guy. Omena nyakawacham nyapiwa. Alo dio jengelo mbese yomba. Aparo riego na manye nyakatere dalawa. Manekei. Oh, manekei. Osama baba. Osama you. Come along if you want to say hi. You can just come and record if you want to record. Just come and we dance together. Yeah. Muzungo luor. Aonge kodukunda. Osama lava. Ay pinyu nega jango. Ay John. I don't need it. If you like the vibe, this is Diani Beach. Congo Beach. Guys, I'm really sorry. I have to stop because of copyright. There's a guy Imba Wamboi